And I want to show you the newest e-learning module at musicplayonline.com. First, have your students sign in. They use the word snow. They use the password 2020. We've even put this up here so that students have an easier time remembering what it is. They log in. And after they log in, we want them to go to the online learning module. And we're going to go to grade 6. This is their first songwriting lesson. So there's supporting resources. There's a set of worksheets if you have a printer, and ukulele handouts if they have a printer. If they don't, that's fine. They can do it all online. Objectives are here. I can write a new verse. I can write a piggyback song. I can sing matching pitch. And we're going to start the lesson off by listening to a song that has been a little bit of a YouTube sensation. It's written by 3 young BC brothers who wrote a song to encourage everyone to stay home during the COVID-19 outbreak. So this will take them to YouTube where they can watch that video. Then we're going to sing the Corner Grocery Store song. This is familiar to many kids. It's an old camp song. That's where I learned it. This makes it full screen, but I'm not going to do that now. And then if they have a ukulele at home, try playing it on the ukulele. They can make this larger and they can play along with this, or they can download and print the printable that we gave them. And the activity for this is to create a new verse for the song. There were dogs, sitting on some logs in the store, in the store. There were dogs, sitting on some logs. So they make up a couple of verses for this. That's their assignment. And then they should sing them and make sure their words fit. Next, we're moving on to another familiar song, My Bonnie Lies Over the Ocean. And again, I give them the notation because 6th graders, 5th graders, 4th graders, they should be looking at notation. This makes full screen. And the fun part of My Bonnie is when you do it with the kids demo, because it's a stand-up, sit-down song. You stand up when you have a B and you sit down when you have the next B. So that one's fun to do too. Again, if they have a ukulele at home, they can play My Bonnie on the ukulele, but if they don't, skip that step. Now, My Bonnie uses changing tempo terms. So there's a wonderful interactive available. It's the Tempo Interactive menu, and they can choose a level, and they can choose a tempo, and then when they press play, they can perform the rhythm in that tempo. And you can try a different tempo and it's going to go faster. So that's the interactive tempo. I've suggested that they make a list of the tempos that they try and what the words mean. You could use that as an assignment later on. Then we talk about what a piggyback song is. A piggyback song is a song that uses a familiar tune with new words. So sing the rabbit song to the tune of My Bonnie. Oh, rabbits have bright shiny noses. I'm telling you this as a friend. The reason their noses are shiny, the powder puffs on the wrong end. And then we want them to write their own piggyback songs using some starters that we've given them. My mother is driving me crazy, or I hate eating spinach for dinner. So they have to make up their own song, sing it, do the words fit the melody. I've given assessment suggestions here, and you can use any assessments that you wish. You put them on the PDF that you put in your Google Drive or in Seesaw that your students will download to know what lesson they're supposed to do. And then the students communicate back to you via Seesaw or Google Drive. So go back to the modules. We have modules up now for pre-K through to 6th grade. New lessons will be coming this week, and enjoy your music play online. And I'm quite sure kids are going to have lots of fun doing this lesson.